Do you remember when we were in Mannheim?
Testing, testing, ready.
So one of our days in Ladenburg, we decided to. Hey, you have something to say, baby?
What's up?
I heard something that you guys said that I already missed with my ears, but then I came up with it.
Yeah, what is it,
what's it-
baby?
what
Go
you got?
ahead.
So the bank, we went to the bank.
We did.
Yeah, we went to the bank.
That's all you got? Shall we talk about Mannheim?
Yeah. Are you talking about Mannheim with us, or are you going back to play?
I'm talking about Mannheim.
Okay.
Do you know who you do this thing? Maybe it was just on the floor already.
This feels like Doom.
Yes.
Am I old enough to watch you?
We got to Mannheim.
Like it was all built in the early 2000s.
Or 80s.
That's fair.
Catherine!
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Mommy,
Yes, baby.
which suitcase is my Aunt Red Jim in?
I don't remember. It's in one of them.
What did you say?
I know it's in one of them. We went there because we wanted to find the palace, the Mannheim Palace, and we found it, and it's attached to a university. However, it was closed for renovations. This thing is immense.
Guys,
Yes.
I gotta start from all the way over there
It's too slippery to run.
to.
Google did not say it was closed for renovations. Google said it was supposed to be open,
Yep.
and could not find any information on it being closed for renovations. It was. So we walked around, and Chris was determined to open a big, heavy door. What was behind the big, heavy door that Malcolm ended up opening, actually?
A church.
Do you remember when we were in Mannheim and we went to the church and the person was playing the organ?
Yeah.
Was it scary?
Yeah, I felt like there was scary music inside the church that was trying to get me.
Mm-hmm.
It was fantastic.
It was amazing. We walked into an old church and they were playing creepy organ music, not church music, like stuff from Phantom of the Opera.
Also,
Yeah, it was great.
Also, that spooky music wanted me to leave that church. Someone turned around for that. And made a music. What clown? Oh. Yeah, the clown right there.
Chris took some photos of another church.
Which was even grander than the first one.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
This is Cassandra. Mommy, it's getting dark. Mommy, is it still working? Mommy, is it looking at everything right now? I'm videoing the stairs because the stairs are so cool. What are those? No. Are they? Is that real life fire? Why is there some orange stuff in there?
We let Malcolm play in the rain at the playground while Chris took some photos. I'm coming.
That was a bug.
Thank you.
That was a bug, Mommy.
It's very wet.
Yeah?
There's also another section over there.
What did it say?
There's another section over there.
Yeah, playgrounds totally have sections. Wow, there's only one handrail for this thing. Okay.
Maybe try the rope instead, the rope ladder. Right here.
Yeah, the rope ladder never gets wet.
There was another playground not far from there.
I'm higher than you guys.
Yes, you are.
It's called, right?
Yeah.
Falling off of a bridge because it's so shaky and falling. And
But
falling.
you're doing great. It's not that
Now I
scary.
just need to get over there and then over.
Good job, baby.
Now,
This one I would like Daddy's help with.
Daddy, this one. Daddy.
I don't know if I'm tall enough. Yeah. We might have to skip this one, baby, unless you can reach it, because Mommy and Daddy.
There you go.
Good job. Oh, you're tall enough. Good job, baby. Only one more part left. And you did the whole obstacle course.
And then when I get there,
Hold on tight to the rope.
I love the playgrounds here.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy,
They're all unique. You got it, baby? Grab the silver thing. Grab the silver thing. There you go. Good job. And then we decided, instead of trying to find my childhood elementary, because it was raining and we didn't know exactly where it was.
It would take an hour to get
It would
there.
take an hour to get there by bus. Why don't we just take the train to Heidelberg and do the castle over there?
Yeah, we were planning on doing Heidelberg the day before, but just it didn't quite work out.
What you see, this place is very deceiving. It's a big mishmash of different construction from different times put together. Not to be trusted.
hello. I was just gonna ask you this. I really love the playgrounds, but just to do it, I'll let you go. Bye. subscribe if you want to watch the next video. Bye!
Subscribe.
I made a little potion with throat spray and some braid, some jewel power, and I made it with a little pink carving soil.
Oh dear.
I don't remember this.
He's brewing potions without us. Oh dear.
It's in here.
Oh. Very cool.
This potion is inside there.
Mm-hmm.
Because you have to do I closed it up so no one would see the potion. And then you need a hammer to crack it open so you can see the potion. This potion's for your hair. It makes your hair look a nice different color. It's turned your hair purple, pink, red, blue. That's all I got. You just have to press one of these different color buttons that it will do.
Okay.
All right.